Looking for good deals can feel like a treasure hunt, right? Especially when you're searching for something specific without wanting to pay full price. That's where classified ads near me come in handy. These ads are not just for selling old stuff anymore. They're a fantastic way to discover everything from furniture to services right in your own backyard. Today, we'll walk you through how to use them smartly, so you can snag awesome deals and maybe even make some cash yourself. It's all about knowing a few tricks to maximize these local listings. First, let's understand what classified ads really are. Think of them as online bulletin boards where individuals and businesses sell items, offer services, or promote events. They're typically organized into categories, making your search easier. Digital classifieds provide way more convenience than traditional print ads. You can filter, search, and contact sellers instantly. Now, why are local classifieds so great? They connect you with your community. You get easier pickup and delivery options, support local sellers, and discover unique items you might not find anywhere else. Plus, you can build connections within your area. It's a great way to save money and find cool stuff close to home. Classifieds are organized by categories like for sale, services, real estate, jobs, and community. Most platforms offer both free and paid listings, with free ones having limited visibility. Consider your needs and how quickly you want to sell when choosing between them. Location is crucial when using classifieds. Most platforms let you set a specific radius, so you're only seeing ads nearby. This avoids wasting time on listings that are too far away. Local deals can be better since you're often buying directly from individuals eager to negotiate prices. You might even find unique vintage items that big retailers don't stock. When searching for classifieds, utilize radial search. This allows you to define a specific location radius, making your hunt much more efficient. Don't forget about sorting options. You can sort by price or date listed to find the best deals quickly. Set specific search alerts based on keywords, location, and price range, so you get notified when new ads pop up. Don't shy away from using keyword phrases for more relevant results. Filtering by price range helps weed out items that are too expensive or suspiciously cheap. Remember to check your location filters to ensure you're not missing great deals just outside your usual area. Saving your favorite listings is also smart. Many platforms allow you to keep track of interesting ads, so you can compare them later. And when crafting your own ads, make sure to write eye-catching titles and include detailed descriptions and quality photos. These elements can make a significant difference in attracting potential buyers. Some popular platforms for classifieds include Trandau, Locanto, Oodle, and Facebook Marketplace. Each has its unique features and user base, so explore and find the one that fits your needs best. Don't overlook community boards at local stores or libraries either. They can have hidden gems not listed online. However, always prioritize safety and security when using classified ads. Arrange to meet in public places, verify seller information, and be cautious of suspicious offers. Protect your personal data by only sharing what's necessary. With these tips in hand, you're well on your way to mastering classifieds near you. List your product for free at trandau.net.